So I was just at my local Costco and came across this guy here, the Type S portable jump starter and power bank. I absolutely love this type of a tool here, guys. We're gonna walk through it, talk about the pricing because they're currently on sale at your local Costco. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this thing open, but really quickly, guys, I do wanna let you know, I will be giving one of these units away. I actually bought 3, one for a giveaway, one for myself, one for a gift. Now I typically use the Hulkman brand. And the Hulkman brand is, that thing has never let me down. It also has a higher capacity. So this one is coming in at a 8,600 milliamp hour capacity. The Hulkman that I usually use is a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity. It's more expensive. It's usually around 200 bucks, but it is currently on sale for 50% off on Amazon, down to 100 bucks. So I'll link that in the description for you guys. That thing is a phenomenal deal. Also, the ability to use this lists a 6-liter gas engine is what it'll start, and up to a 4-liter diesel engine. Now the Hulkman that I was referring to will start I think 8.5 liter gas engine or a 6-liter diesel engine. So if you have a larger truck, I would definitely recommend going that way. But for your basic passenger cars, this thing will definitely get the job done. So let's go ahead and open it up now and see exactly what it comes with. So why do you need a portable jump starter like this? Well, it just makes your life so much easier. No longer do you have to deal with all those big jumper cables, or if you don't have them, and even if you do, you have to find somebody with another car to help you out. This thing, you can just charge up, leave it in your vehicle, and then if anything happens, especially in these winter times, right, the temperature drops, and if our batteries aren't at full capacity, it can kill the battery and you can't start it. You need a jump, and this thing is super easy. You just plug it in, hook it up to your battery. It'll notify you when you're ready to go and start your car. Awesome, awesome items available at Costco. Currently $12 off, down to $47.99 for one of these. All right, guys, so really nice presentation here. Just this little guy. Let's go ahead and pop this thing out. As you can see, you have a protective screen. Oh, it's opened up and it's already charged to 74%, so I potentially could charge something with this. Additionally, we have a nice flashlight. And then you have the connections where if you did need to use it as a power bank and charge your phone or whatever else, if you're stranded on the side of the road, you can do that as well. Now, right on the side of the unit here is your power on-off button. So you just compress it for like 3 seconds to turn the flashlight on. Just squeeze it and hold. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit it again. It'll change to another mode. There you go. We have a fast flash, and then squeeze it again to a slow flash, and I believe that's it. Yeah, then we're off. So that is it. The housing on this thing is a little more delicate than the Hulkman. The Hulkman, you feel like you could drop and it'd be okay. This one is just more of a plastic housing, but again, for just daily use or backup in your car, this thing should get the job done, no problem. Now we're gonna keep on unboxing this thing. We'll go ahead and open up the rest of it. Just pull that out, and then you have one large box here. So we'll pull that, and I'm assuming this is just gonna be our charging cables and jumpers. All right, so first things first, you have your jumper cables and a little box here. I don't know if this is just like a, very cool too, that it does show you the different indicators that you will have. You know, if it's flashing green, if it's flashing red, if it's solid green, it'll let you know all of that stuff right on the jumper cable. And then you simply just open up this piece here. Nope, not that piece. The smaller one off to the side here. Open that one up. And that will be your connection point for this. So as you can see right here, if you can see that, and then we would simply plug it in. Seats down perfectly, and we're good to go. Now additionally, you do get a charging cord, right? So you have a USB to a USB-C, it appears. And then you also get a little charging block for in your car. So you can keep this thing charged up at all times, as long as your car's not dead, right? All right, guys, so I've got my old 1969 Ford Fairlane here. I'm just gonna hook this up to see if it gives us any indicators right on the front here. So obviously black on black, red on red. These are smart chargers too, so you usually don't even have to be too worried about it. You can just plop them on. Let's see here. Maybe turn it on the side. 74%. There you go, it shows connected, and now it shows a little indicator for you. It shows car, and it shows a key, and the light on the thing here turns green. So that indicates that we can go ahead and start it. Now this battery is not dead, so I'm not gonna start it because it would start anyway, but you just do that. Obviously it's gonna drain. When you actually do crank it, it'll drain the battery percentage down quite a bit, especially this being an 86 amp hour or milliamp hour capacity. So you only get a certain amount of charges or restarts through it, but it's one of those things, just make sure to charge it up after you use it and you're good to go. Once the car is started, you can just simply come over and disconnect. Now, just to be clear, guys, they do say in the instructions to disconnect the red before the black. I never do. I never honestly care. I've never had any issues with it, but since they do state that, just make sure to read the instructions so that you're clear on everything before you use it. Now, as I said, I bought one of these to give away as well. I have one brand new in the packaging, and all you have to do for your chance to win is make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure you comment, like, and share this video, and then for an additional chance to win, go over to my Instagram as well, like, comment, and share the post there as well. Guys, I announced the huge giveaway with CR Spotlets in a video that actually went live today. I'm filming this and it went live today. That video, the giveaway winner, won't be announced for a couple days. I'm gonna let that one accumulate because that is a very, very big value. So make sure to go check out that video if you haven't seen it already. Basically, I'll let you guys know. Chuck, the owner of CR Spotless, is sponsoring the giveaway. I went over there. I offered to buy one of the units, and he's like, "No, don't worry about that. I want to handle it." So thank you again to Chuck, incredible guy, and he's offering any one of his systems. So if you need, the regular DIW or DIC 20, great unit for DI water. Around $400 to $500 value, depending on if you do bypass and things like that, or all the way up to his new Spotless Pro system, which is like $1,700 or $1,800. Which, again, the upfront cost is higher, but the usability of that thing, the cost of your spot-free water per gallon is like nothing. So, highly recommend going to check out that video. But that's it for today's video, guys. Enter for your chance to win this one, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.